In this video, we're going to take out this page and we're going to add a flip and this flip. Okay, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie, and today I am adding some pages and moving some pages in the summer vacation journal that I am making. This is my July journal from a simple kit challenge, and then I am using items and things from my stash as well to make this a journal that I can record the 10 days that my grandkids are here with me. So we had an excursion and we went to up into the mountain here and we called it a recon mission because we want to go back, but we wanted to see if it was something they actually were going to want to do. So yeah, they had a blast. So let's go ahead, and I am cutting the page down just a little so that it fits in the journal. Okay, so just cutting it down just a little bit. This is from the Thomas Guide, and it is actually a map of where we went, and I am going to use it. I'm going to make it to be a flip-flop that we're going to add in here. So I only have a picture and a story for here, and the picture of when they got to my house for here. So this is going to start the day, and it just happens that we went to Jackson Lake first, and then we went to Big Rock Creek. So this is going to actually work out really well, and I'm going to go ahead and fold it. I think we can, yeah, that'll be fine. So let's go ahead and get down on the flat here. I'm just going to line up my sides. Okay, and then for a flip-flop, so I want to add this in onto this page right here. Okay, or do I want to add it to this page? Now I'm thinking maybe I should be adding it to this page, which I could, because I want to make sure that this is the first page you look at, and then so we should add it here. I'm just wondering if we're going to be okay with what I'm planning to add on to it. Maybe we'll go ahead and just put it straight on here. I have a bunch of pictures of that day. You know what? Oh, no, we don't want to add. No, we're done trying to add things to deli paper with glue. Okay, we're going to put it here. And so I need to add I'm going to do about between 1/4 to 1/2 inch here. Okay. A little more than that, but that's okay. As long as I don't take away I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, you guys, because I want the map. I will go through and yellow line our highlight, I should say, the route that we took. Okay, so there's nothing that I need on this page, right? Right, because we didn't, but I do want to show, because we did take that road to get to Jackson Lake. And then we took it back down, and we went to the creek. Right up in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our glue on our paper here. So a flip-flop, usually I'm adding in other paper, lined paper usually, or drawing paper. This time I'm just going to use the flip-flop technique of adding a page, to add a page that I actually want to be able to see all four sides of it. Okay. Okay, so there's our glue is on it. Looks like we're missing a little bit. Make sure there's glue on your whole piece. Then pull it down. And now push it into the crease. Push it in. Okay, so there we have, and then we can get the glue off the edge. We still have our pocket here. Okay, so we have our Jackson Lake here. We have our, some of the road that we went on to go to Big Rock Creek, which is right here. Okay, so we've added that. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So I know I need a little bit more back here for telling the story about the going to the beach. So I have this paper that has the palm trees on it, and I thought that we could go ahead and cover this little guy. Or we could cover here. You know what? Let's do this. We're going to go ahead and put this on here. And it's okay, we'll still have this. Because I've been taking more pictures than I thought I would. Who'd have thought? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just glue this down. You know what? Actually, I think we'll put our glue on the page in case, put that up there. Okay, we'll put our glue on the page because the page is a little bit smaller than what we're adding. Okay, so here we go. Adding glue to our page. Now we can leave the top open in case we have something that we want to add there. Okay, so we're going to come in and put this in the gutter, leaving just a little bit of space and dropping it down onto the page. Okay, so this will become a flip out with the palm trees on it. Okay, I think we went. Okay, so there we have a flip out that we've added over the top of one of the children's book pages that just really isn't going to match what I've got going on. Okay, now depending on how big, how much we need to use, we might even be able to fold this over. We might be able to, I mean, there's a lot of things we might be able to do with this. So, but that gives us another page to put the beach pictures on. So we have all those, and we have these. Okay. So we added this one, and then we added this one in a different way. And then the one other thing that I want to add is possibly we may even want to go ahead and add like a waterfall, depending on how many pictures. I have to go get printer ink. Can't believe I'm out of photo black. So there's a couple different things that we can do with this. So we can turn this into a little journal book. We can add it to the top there, and that will give us, you know, the palm trees on all the sides. So we will see how we're going to use that. Okay, so that is adding, and then okay, now back here I have too many days for 4th of July, because what happened was Tom and I, we got to judge my hometown parade. So the parade in my hometown, we got to judge the parade. Try this little gizmo here for cutting out this piece of paper. So I really like this, and I want it to be in the part, because I have a place where Tom is actually standing because the flag is going by. And so I'm going to do that. Then I might go ahead and push this piece down, or it is big enough that I can add something there. But this can come back and be on somewhere on about the parade. Okay, I have pictures of one of our friends built a Millennium Falcon. He built a Millennium Falcon thing that the kids could be on and check out. And so I have pictures of that Shelley took. So I have parade pictures. So I'm going to put this in here so that I remember that I have it. Just turn it this way. But I wanted to cut it out of here because I need more space for the going to the beach this day. And yeah, so there we go. We can do that. Okay. So that is a way to add a page where you might need it, and taking a page out. And I use this little thing. I know I'll get better with it. This is this was from our tax person, so It's a little coupon cutter. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that that helps you be able to add a page or take one out. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Come back and we'll work on this. Bye-bye.